Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
The grass ain't green on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Okay guys, in today's video, as you can see, the background is different. I dropped my camera back in November, and I've noticed that whenever I'm filming like against light, my backdrop is usually my window and like the view of the city. And I've noticed that if I film in like direct daylight, then I look super dark. I don't know what happened like with the colors and the balance of the camera. Maybe it's a setting that I need to fix, but I am supposed to be going to work in the next like 30 minutes. So I'm filming this video kind of late, and I wanted to have optimal lighting. I tried to figure out what was going on with my lighting like a little while ago, and I'm like, I can't do this in 30 minutes. I need like 2 hours. So yeah, I apologize for my boring couch as the background for today's video. In today's video, I have a very exciting one that is going to be an AliExpress haul. I purchased all of these items myself. I didn't get to any of these pieces at all, and I will try to link them either in the description box or as the pinned comment. If you guys are looking for these items, they may be hard to find. And if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into this haul. So they basically shipped everything in this mailer. I already opened it yesterday because I took some stuff out, and then I was like, wait, I want to film a YouTube video. So I kind of like shoved everything back in here, and I have 2 of these bags. They're also like individually wrapped in other mailers. So there's another one right here. The stuff that I did take out already. So I took out my phone case because I just really wanted a new phone case on my phone. I've been using the same boring glitter one for a very long time, and it's changed color. Like, it looks brown now from the way that the plastic kind of interacts with the sun. It kind of like oxidized my phone case, so it looked really bad. So I needed a new one, and this one is actually really cute. Apple definitely has cuter phone cases than Samsung, which is really sad because Samsung is one of the most popular phones. I guess I read online it's because Apple doesn't really change their phones. They kind of look the same all the time, so it's easier to like make new phone cases for it. As far as Samsung, they've switched up their cameras. They change their phones every like few years or so, like the way they look at least anyways. And this one came with this little phone charm, which is so cute. I love these phone charms. I'm so glad that these are back. These are very like early 2000s vibes. You know, like when you had a flip phone back in the day and you would hang charms off of it. That's what it reminds me of. There is a little phone charm slot right there. But yeah, I haven't put this on yet because I literally took this out and I thought it was just the phone case, and this was like at the bottom of the bag, and then I already put it on my phone before realizing, I need to put this on. So I will do this later on, but the phone charm is really, really cute. Next up, I got a watch band. The one that I have right now is from the same seller from AliExpress, but one of the bands, what are these called? Like the things that keep the watch band flat. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but these things, one of them came off of this one. I do really like the color of this one. Yeah, one of them came off, and I was like, maybe I should have a backup one just in case this one fully breaks, or if I get bored and I just want to change up the color. So I ended up getting this one. I did not expect this color though. I thought it was more of like a berry pink versus like a hot pink, and it just looks like this. So it comes in 2 pieces, and then you attach your watch to the back. It's very easy to install, but I'm talking about these things. Like, one of them came off of the purple one that I'm wearing, so I decided, you know what, it's good to have a backup, and I might buy another backup just so I have a variety and I have different colors. I'm not planning to get a new watch anytime soon, so it's nice to have a variety. Next thing I got is, this is very practical. I talked to my massage therapist about this and about getting one, so I finally ended up just getting one because I've been having issues with my neck Recently, I think within the past like few months, it's gotten a little bit better because I've been going to massages regularly. But the one time I got a massage, she had to do cupping on my neck because it was just so bad. Like, it was so stiff. There was so many knots in my neck, and it was like to the point where it was painful to like even lift my head. So this right here, this is supposed to stretch out your neck for you. So you can either put this on the ground, you can put this on your sofa, you can put this on your bed. So this is where your head goes, kind of like here, and it's supposed to stretch out your neck. And then these are like really nice as well. So they like kind of dig into your fascia a little bit. So this is really nice. It's like a neck decompression device pillow thingy. And it comes with a carrying case or like a dust bag. So if you decide you want to travel with this, you can. It comes like this. I don't think I will be traveling with this because it's a little bit ridiculous, but it's good for like home use and stuff like that, and it's good to decompress your neck once in a while. Next thing I got, I probably won't be using this until I get a lymphatic massage, but I was looking up things on YouTube one day, and I was looking up on like how to get a flat stomach, how to drain your lymph tissues and everything like that, because I struggle with like bloating, and my stomach has like legit never looked flat unless like the one time I had my tonsillectomy and I didn't eat for like 2 days. That's the only time my stomach ever looked flat. So I'm trying to, and I work out so often, so I think it's more of a lymphatic drainage type issue. So I've been looking up wood therapy, and there's videos about this on YouTube. So this is basically just like a roller. You can use this on your legs as well. It doesn't just have to be on your stomach. I was ready and willing to like end up paying, you know, like $26 for one of these, but this actually wasn't bad on AliExpress. I think this was around $8 to $12, and this is actually made out of wood. So if you look up wood therapy on YouTube, there's tutorials on how to like roll it on your abdomen and stomach and stuff like that. You can roll it like this. It's a nice like massager too, I guess. Like, let me just see. I can get like the back of my neck. Oh my god, that's so nice. So this is like multifunctional. It could be like for wood therapy, lymphatic drainage, or you know, just to massage your back and stuff like that. So I'm very excited for this. You can get different ones of these. I think it's good to have multiple different styles. They have one that looks like a gua sha, and that helps your lymph nodes drain as well. So I am just gonna be doing some more research onto wood therapy and getting my lymphatic massages really soon and learning how to use that. So I'm hoping for the best. We'll see how it goes. Don't know what this next thing is. So when you buy from different AliExpress sellers, they kind of all, you know, put your stuff individually like this in different mailers, and then they all just come together into one big bag. I just like tore open the package with the knife. That was an epic fail. Okay, so I decided to get another one of these because the one that I had in my backpack for hiking actually stopped working, and it stopped working at like the worst time. Well, I could tell like it was on its way out because it wasn't charging my device as fast as I wanted it to, and sometimes I thought it was like the weather or something like that, but this is something that's super important if you're going out hiking, if you're going out into the woods and stuff like that, to have a portable battery and a cable that actually works. So I got this one from AliExpress because it was, honestly, it was really pretty. Like, I do like the color. This is my favorite color. But then like the cables that I have gotten from AliExpress have all been really good. Like, I have one in my car for the past 2 years that still works great. It works better than any Amazon cable that I've ever gotten. So yeah, I decided to pick this up. Okay, so next thing I got, we all know how much I love my AirPods cases. I should do a full video on like my AirPods case collection. I don't know if that's something that people would have done back in like 2020 or something like that, or 2021, when people had like other hobbies, like weird hobbies like this one. But I literally have so many AirPods cases, but I needed this one. This is so cute. So I have an AirPods 1, 2, and this is the case that I got. It's a cup of noodles. How adorable is this? It is so cute. But also I have this habit of getting light colored cases, white cases just like this one, and they get dirty so easily. Like this silicone material that it is, it's very, very hard to clean. So I don't know why I keep getting white cases, but I thought this was really cute. It always comes with this carabiner clip that honestly is not useful. Like these things are so not useful. This right here, I'm sure that this is a phone case. Like I am 95% sure that's what this is. Why do I not remember getting this color? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I have always wanted one of these like chromy liquidy phone cases. Okay, it looks like how it's supposed to look on camera. In real life, like it looks more blue. On the camera, it's looking a little bit more silvery. So that's the color that I ordered. But yeah, in real life, it's more of like a really metallic baby blue. It's really pretty. But yeah, these phone cases are not honestly the most functional because they are so thin. Like they are just there to look good. I just wanted something cute for my phone. But honestly, I'm such a klutz and I drop my phone very, very often. So that case, I don't know how long I'll have it on my phone for before I need to like switch it up to something more heavy duty. And don't come at me. I know that I can always get a OtterBox. I know that, but I don't think OtterBoxes are cute at all. I think they're ugly. Oh, there's a couple things in here. I have always wanted to try those Fui. It's F-W-E-E, Fui. Those, you know, you guys have seen those like pudding pots that are like super viral right now. You can use them on your lips and you can use them on your cheeks. And I've been wanting to make a Yes Style order very, very soon in the near future and order some of those Fui pots. I was being proactive and I decided to get this ahead of time, and on AliExpress it was actually pretty cheap. I think this was like $2, and this basically is a silicone sponge. So you dip it into the pudding pot and then you can apply it to your face, and or you can apply it to your lips as well. So it is really, really cute. It was, you know, a really good price for this. It was like $2, and you can definitely travel with this. It's very travel friendly. Okay, next thing I got is another like health-ish type product. And honestly, I'm gonna have to put it in the washing machine because this one does smell. It looks like this. Probably like, what in the world is that? So this it looks ridiculous. This you put, I don't know how to actually put this on. This part goes over your ears, I think. Yeah, this part goes over your ears and then like wraps around your head, and then you clip it under your chin. It's basically a chin strap. I have issues with mouth breathing, and I actually never knew that well, actually I kind of always knew because I would wake up and my throat would be extremely dry, and I wanted something. I know that these are not like recommended, or like people say that these are dangerous, blah, blah, blah. I honestly don't want to end up with the mouth breather face. I don't know. I scared myself by like Googling mouth breathing in your sleep and how to like fix it basically. And it showed how, you know, you can go from looking super young to like your face basically just melts down because you're constantly like, your mouth is open the whole entire time you're sleeping. So your muscles and stuff like that in your face can kind of like degenerate. I don't know what the proper term for it is, but you can get mouth breather face, and I'm not about to have that happen. Also, people use this as like a facelift device. I've seen this on Shein a lot, and they call it like facelifting devices, and there's different ones you can get. There's ones that fully like mask up your face and everything like that. So I thought I would try it. This was like $3, so if it doesn't work, it was only $3, but I have high hopes for this. And I don't have sleep apnea, if you guys are wondering. If you guys are like, oh, just get a CPAP. I don't have sleep apnea. It's just that, I don't know. I think like my nose gets clogged. I think I'm just fully like, I have allergies or something like that, and my nose gets clogged at night only. It seems to be at night, or like when I'm sleeping in that like sleep position. I've literally tried everything. I've tried like elevating my pillow and all of that stuff, but it seems to be just like generally I can't really breathe through my nose when I'm sleeping. So I have no clue. Next up, oh yes, I got this because When my friend and I were hiking King Creek, she actually dropped my phone as I was recording and my mic finally broke. Like, I had that mic for 8 months, which is like the longest time I've ever had one of these, I don't know how to say that word, lavalier microphones. This is what it's called. So it's the longest that I've ever had one of these microphones. I usually break it way before then, and I was very shocked that this one lasted me for 8 months. So I just ended up buying the same one. And honestly, I don't know if this works great for like sound quality wise, especially like on TikTok videos. This one sounds kind of not great on TikTok, but as far as my hiking content and stuff like that, I feel like this has worked pretty well. And I got it in pink again. So if you've watched any of my hiking content in the past like year, you would have definitely seen my pink microphone. So it looks like this, and it was only $10 for this. And like I said, my longest lasting microphone. And I've had microphones from Amazon before and they just break. Like, they either stop connecting or the piece that connects to your phone actually breaks. I had one break after like 2 uses. So AliExpress for the win when it comes to microphones. I was like, why am I missing something? I just double checked my AliExpress order. I am missing my other phone case that I ordered. I ordered 3 total. I'm missing my other one, and I ordered more of these like rhinestone camera protectors. So this I actually got on AliExpress as well, and I just needed a backup. And I always like having a backup just in case stuff breaks, like microphones and stuff like that. I do like having a backup, so I did order another one of those. And then last but not least, I got this really cute keychain. I honestly don't know where to put this onto. Like, I don't know where I should put this onto, because it can't go on my hiking pack or anything like that, because I don't want it to be too heavy. But this is so cute. It is a Starbucks keychain. So this is the little strap, and it is supposed to look like Pachaco from Sanrio. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this. I think it's so adorable. And yeah, I had to get this. It was really cute. So that is my unnecessary purchase of this video, but I feel like everything else was pretty useful for the most part. So that is all for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.
I let you